Olá! Seja muito bem-vindo ao Café com Inglês. No vídeo de hoje, você vai praticar seu listening em inglês de uma forma leve, confortável e natural. Acompanhe um pouco da rotina de Rick, um jovem adulto tentando lidar com o cansaço da vida moderna depois de uma noite curta de sono. Durante o dia, Rick compartilha alguns de seus pensamentos, pequenas reflexões e momentos simples da rotina cotidiana. Mais tarde, ele encontra sua amiga Lily durante uma pausa no trabalho e os dois têm uma conversa natural em inglês, como em uma situação real do dia a dia. Tudo isso com um inglês fácil, lento e confortável para iniciantes. Então, pegue seu café, relaxe e apenas escute. Pouco a pouco, o inglês começa a aparecer mais natural. Agora, vamos começar.
Today feels a little slow. I didn't sleep very well last night. But sometimes slow mornings are good. They give us time to think, time to breathe, and maybe time to practice some English. I woke up at 6:30 this morning. The apartment was very quiet. Quiet mornings always help me relax. First, I made some coffee. Hot coffee always makes me feel better. Then I looked outside the window. The streets were still empty. I really need to organize my week better. I have too many things to do lately. After coffee, I took a shower. The warm water helped me wake up. Then I got dressed for work. I wore my favorite brown jacket today. The bus was surprisingly quiet today. I sat near the window, like always. I like watching the city in the morning. People looked tired. Some people were drinking coffee. Others were checking their phones. Everyone is living their own story. That thought always makes me feel calm. The weather was cloudy today. I actually like cloudy mornings. Work was a little stressful today. I had too many emails to answer, and 2 meetings before lunch. At one point, I felt very tired. Maybe I need a vacation.
Now, Rick takes a break for a snack and runs into Lily, his friend from work.
Hello, Rick. Oh, you look tired today.
Yeah, I didn't sleep very much.
Too much work again?
Exactly.
You should rest more.
I know.
Did you at least eat something good today?
Actually, yes. I had a really good chicken sandwich today.
That sounds nice.
And I probably drank too much coffee.
That definitely explains your energy.
What do you usually do after work?
Honestly, not much. I usually go home. Sometimes I cook dinner, watch something on YouTube, and just try to relax a little.
That sounds peaceful.
Simple routines make me happy.
I understand that. Life feels so fast sometimes.
Exactly. That's why I enjoy quiet moments so much.
Like coffee in the morning.
Exactly like that. When I got home tonight, I made some pasta and some tea. Then I sat on the sofa for a while. The apartment felt warm and comfortable. And for the first time today, my mind finally felt quiet. Sometimes we don't need perfect days. We only need small, peaceful moments.
That's true. Well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too.
It was nice talking to you today.
It was nice talking to you too.
I hope tomorrow is a little less stressful.
I hope so. And maybe a little less coffee too.
That might help.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Take care, Rick.
You too, Lily.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Good night, Lily.
Good night, Rick. See you soon.
See you soon. And before you go, I just want to say something. Thank you for staying with us until the end.
And little by little, English starts feeling more natural too, one simple conversation at a time. Thanks for spending this quiet moment with us.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And don't worry about being perfect.
See you in the next conversation.